So here's how to automate Instagram comment replies. In this video, we will be using ManyChat, which lets you automatically reply to Instagram comments and DMs, and is great for creators and businesses who want to save time and increase engagement. If you want to follow along with this tutorial step by step, click on my link below to get 50% off ManyChat Pro, so you can set this up exactly the way I'm doing it in this video. We're now in the ManyChat website. You can reach this site by clicking on the link in the description. So once we're here, let's go over to the top and you will get to see all of these options. From here, let's click on pricing and check it out. So over here, we can see all the plans that they have to offer, starting with free, pro, and elite. For this video, we will be going with the free one. Now, let's go back and click on Get Started on the top right, which will take us to the sign up page. Here, we can click on Continue with Google or Facebook. I will select Google. Then, we have the option to connect via Meta. And if you click on See More options, you can connect via Instagram or Meta Business Suite. I will select Connect via Instagram. Then, from this pop-up, you need to log in to your Instagram account. On the next screen, click on Change if you need to change to Professional account. After that, select if you're a creator or a business. I'll go with Business and click Next. Then keep clicking Next, and once you're here on this section, choose your account category and then click on Done. Keep in mind that you will need to switch to a professional account in order to use ManyChat. And after all this, click on Done. Here you can customize these settings and click on Allow. After that, your Instagram will be linked to ManyChat. So on this page, you need to set up ManyChat as well. So choose who this account is for. I'll select for my client. Then you need to select how you typically make money from this account. After that, click Next. Then select which tools you're using right now, such as Google Sheet, Kit, ActiveCampaign, OpenAI, and more. Choose them and click Next. Now, answer how did you hear about ManyChat? Then click on Next again. So once you're here on this page, just click on Start Free Trial. After that, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. And over here, you will get to see all of these options. You can scroll through to check it out. Now, if we head over to the left panel, we will get to see all of these sections, starting with Contacts right under Home. This is where all your contacts will be. You can click on Create New Contact on the top right and put in all the contact details right here, starting with name and phone number. Then we have email and gender. Once done, click on Create. You can also click on the Import button and import your contacts. Then we have Automation on the left panel. This is where you can create automations and set them up according to your requirements. Then we have ManyChat AI. ManyChat AI will give replies, comments, and more on behalf of you and your page. After that, we have Live Chat on the left panel. This is where all your conversations and chats will be visible. This is your inbox in ManyChat. Next, we have Settings. This is where all your account settings will be. You'll also find your linked channels on this section. So you can go through these in order to get a better understanding of the platform. So for this video, let's head over to Automation from the left panel. And here on My Automations, let's click on New Automation on the top right. From the options here, you can filter through by goal or by trigger. And over here, we have some recommended options. If you scroll through this page, you will get to see a lot of options to choose from, and each one says exactly what it does. For this one, let's select Auto DM links from comments. And as you can see, we're now redirected to this page. So over here, it says when someone comments on, and you can select between a specific post or reel, any post or reel, or next post or reel. I'll go with a specific post or reel. Then click on Next. After that, you can select a specific word or words for which the comment reply will be triggered. Or you can set it as any word, so any comment will get this automated reply. You can also see a preview on the right side on the main screen. And if we enable reply to their comments under the post, it will give the reply as you can see here on the main screen. You can choose between any of these options or type in your own. But for now, I'll just go with these ones. Then click on Next. After that, we get this they will get option. Here, if you enable an opening DM, they will receive this exact text. You can customize it however you like. And here on the send me the link option, you can put in the link they will receive. Then we can enable a DM asking them to follow before they get the link, or a DM asking for their email. But these are for the pro version. Let's click on Next. And over here, we can add a follow-up DM after they reply to the first one. And you can view each of these steps in the main screen in real time. If we click on Add a link, you will get this option to add a button label and a link. Just put in the details and click on Save. For now, let's cancel it. Here, you can also enable a follow-up DM if they don't click the link, but that is for the pro version as well. So once everything is set up, click on Go Live on the top right corner. And as you can see, our automation is now live. We can click on Set it up or maybe later. For now, let's cancel it. So once you're here on the Insights page, you'll be able to view all the key metrics right here in real time, such as sends, clicks, CTR, and emails. And if you click on Edit on the top right corner, you'll be taken back to the previous page where you can make changes to your automation. And if we click on Preview on the top, we will see exactly how it will look like to the users. So this way, just go through all of the settings and set up your automation exactly the way you like. Make sure that it provides helpful and useful information to the users or audience. So now, to test it out, let's open up Instagram and go to the profile. So here, as you can see, this is the post that I've used for the automation. And here, I've used a different account to comment on this post. And as you can see, we've got the reply from ManyChat. Here, if you go over to the messages section or inbox, you can see that we've received the message we've set up on ManyChat. So here, if you put in a reply, it will send the follow-up messages that we've set up on ManyChat. This way, you can keep a conversation going or even use ManyChat AI in order to make the conversation more realistic and human-like. For the most part, most people will not be able to tell if it is AI or not. And once you start getting responses and the automation is functioning, you will get to see all of the details right here. So as you can see, using ManyChat makes it incredibly easy to automate your Instagram comment replies without having to manually respond to every single person. Instead of missing comments or replying late, you can instantly engage your audience, deliver links, offers, or messages automatically, and turn simple comments into real conversations. This saves you a ton of time, helps you stay consistent, and lets you scale your Instagram engagement even when you're not online. Whether you're a creator, coach, or business owner, ManyChat helps you work smarter, not harder, while growing faster on Instagram. And that's it. That is exactly how to automate Instagram comment reply.